Alright guys, I was at the grocery store and I picked this up. This is Jordans Super Berry Muesli. I've never seen this one in my local grocery store. Actually, I had to go a little bit further away and I picked this one up so I could do a review and a taste test for you guys. So, no artificial flavors, non-GMO, but this one's really cool because it has black currants, cranberries, and blueberries. So, alright, so if you guys want to see the ingredients, pause the video. But I will zoom in and give you guys a good idea what's in there. And then we'll do the quick taste test. Here's the nutrient panel. You guys want to read it? Pause it. Here you go. Alright, let's do the quick taste test here. It's not coming out good. I got my scissors. There we go. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So you got some cranberries, black currants, and blueberries. So let's try these out. This is that was just a raisin. So there it is. These are the oh, that's definitely the currant. It's a little sour. Let's see how the flakes are. You can see the oat flakes are there. Ah, it's quite good. Let's see if I can get another berry in here. No, that's just raisin. What is this? Let's try that out. That's just a raisin. Well, it's not bad, guys. Definitely check it out. But there's a lot of raisins here, and not a lot of currants and blackberries and stuff like that. If you have any questions, comments, post them below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.